caught me eating my garnish. Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. U.F.O. Nissin Sichuan style shredded pork from Hong Kong. Let's do it. So I'm gonna do stuff a little bit different today. A little bit. I'm still getting the feel for the onion slicer, and it just seems like I gotta keep finessing it and figuring it out. There's some garnish. There's our sauce, our noodle. Yeah, usually it comes in a bowl, so sue me. It's in a pot today. This. Okay, so today's quote of the day from the book Momofuku Endo Speaks. Ando Momofuku-san was the inventor of the instant noodle and the founder of Nissin Foods in Japan and worldwide now. Number 22. The entrepreneurial spirit means creating something from nothing. Okay. What about creating nothing from something? That'd be weird. So I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna make my onions right now. So let's see how this works. This might work a lot better. Oh, it won't work better unless I cut these tips off. Pretty good. The only problem is that a lot of it gets stuck to the sides, and I don't like that. But pretty good. It's what?
Smooth.
It's smooth? I don't know, man. You're pretty smooth. Did you finish your lunch, Mimi?
Please.
Yeah, finish your lunch, Mimi. Finish your lunch, Mimi. Finish your lunch, Mimi. I say that so often. I'm really sick of saying it. I really am. Let's stir this a little bit. That's what we do here. What happened? Low camera battery. Oh, you stupid thing. Come on. You're plugged in. Drives me nuts. I don't get it. It's like it's plugged in. It's should be charging. We'll see what happens. Hopefully good things. Shush! Go into kid jail. Mimi, eat your dinner or lunch. Miles, leave her alone. I tell ya. I do, I tell ya. Chinese sausage. I know, but you didn't put the sauce in yet. It's gonna affect the flavor. Oh, I'm gonna try it without eating the sausage. It's gonna be okay. I've had some viewers that are like on the money about their comments, and some that are just like such little trolls. But usually those people, you get one comment out of them and you reply to it and they don't even reply back. So this is very vinegary, not what I expected. Definitely full of black vinegar. Interesting. Are we still recording? You say you are. I don't believe you're gonna finish this out. And I think that's really tragic because you should. Like, come on. Let's give it a try. I love trying new things, but this new thing isn't something I love trying. Does that make sense? Or, I love trying new things, but this is a new thing I don't love. You scoot back. Don't you turn off on me. I know you're close. And there we go. Let's try some of this spring onion. Yeah, no, that doesn't work at all. I'm getting ticked. I would definitely prefer to use this on here. This is a spicy Sichuan oily sauce kind of thing going on. This is from Taiwan. Another issue I have with this is the noodles are just so light and it's just not appetizing to me, you know? It's too bad because I generally like U.F.O, but I like U.F.O yakisoba, not this. Sorry. And don't get me wrong, I love good black vinegar. I love young vinegar, aged vinegar. I'm a vinegar aficionado after trying a lot of different kinds. But this just doesn't... It doesn't make me happy. I'm not happy. So the next one we got will be this one. This is Akai, what do you call it? Raccoon dog. It's like there's the Akai Kitsune udon, and then there's the Midori no Tanuki udon, which has tempura. But it's the 40th anniversary, and people said this was their favorite, was the Akai Kitsune. So you're getting Akai Raccoon dog.